No one likes paying bills, especially unexpected ones. Let's say you had a surprise $500 medical bill that you had to pay tomorrow. Could you afford it? How would it make you feel? If you said anxious, you're not alone. In fact, according to a study, surprise bills cause most Americans anxiety. J.G. Wentworth teamed with YouGov, an international data and analytics group, and we asked a group of adults some questions regarding their financial security and the anxiety it brings them. We learned that while a majority of American adults would feel anxious figuring out how to pay the bill, age plays an important factor. 54% of Gen Xers would worry about paying this bill, whereas with millennials, 62% would worry. On the other hand, only 43% of baby boomers would have anxiety from such a bill. Fortunately, there's good news too. When asked how they would feel paying the same bill in 5 years from now, only 17% said they wouldn't feel confident affording it. Even millennials were more optimistic about their future. 80% said they feel secure paying the unexpected $500 if it happened in 5 years from now. While financial anxiety is a reality for many Americans, that anxiety is starting to become more manageable.